Hi everyone, my name is Jade Sedgman and this is my final assessment video. So my goals coming into this class, I really wanted to work on networking and I wanted to learn how to be comfortable in front of the camera. I do feel like I met my goals, thankfully. I am doing the networking by joining the LinkedIn network and learning about it and actually going on and making my profile and adding people and going in groups. I really feel like I got the networking thing at least starting to get it down. I know it's going to take practice and it's going to take time to be where I want to be with it, but I'm glad I know now I have the skills to get me there. With being comfortable in front of the camera, that was a really big deal to me because now with the way our world is, video conferences and interviews and things like that are way more frequent, and I want to be prepared. I definitely feel like I am now. I watched my first video and I was looking away. I was saying a bunch of filler words like things like that, touching my hair, being a little distracting, so not making eye contact. I definitely feel like I have improved, especially even with my tone. So the second thing is my favorite assignment in this course. My favorite assignment was making the business report. I know that it was probably not everyone's favorite. It was our biggest assignment and it was very lengthy, but I feel like we were given the right materials for us all to be very successful in it. And it actually helped me pick a career that I wanted to do that I had no idea about before here. So I will always really appreciate that and I will think about it while I'm in my career forever. I had no idea about this specific career and it definitely has been my choice now. So I'm very happy about that. Now, my communication. So I definitely feel like my communication has improved in this course. That was another one of my goals in the beginning, and I definitely feel like now I can talk to bosses, I can with coworkers, things like that. I feel like I know the right skills to be able to communicate better in the workplace, along with like making eye contact or having a good tone in my voice and things like that. Those are definitely important skills. Even the memos we learned, I think those were awesome and a great way and a frequently used tool in the workplace. Even when we learned about the Amazon assignment, that's what they do before all their meetings. So those are all really great communication skills that I will definitely take with me in the future. My advice to future students about taking this online course. So I would highly recommend this course for anyone at Macomb or just anyone even looking to get into any career. I think that all the skills that we learned in this class we're going to carry throughout our whole work life. These are all very important and I think everyone should know them. The second that you log into this course, it's going to be very overwhelming, but it's not as bad. Even the business report I was freaking out about, and then I started getting into it and had all the templates that we were given, and I felt much more confident. You really do need to work ahead, and I know it's weird in an online course, but I highly suggest getting to know your classmates and working together because there is a lot of assignments where you will be communicating with them, and even with the business report video presentations, you'll get extra credit for doing it in front of your classmates. And that was something that I think was really important and helped me get through the semester. Everyone in our class, I feel, was very supportive of each other. So I would reach out, make sure you ask the professor any questions because she is so responsive and descriptive with it. And I think you will be super successful. Thank you for watching.